Pun race about them all, you take your place, page, tripe or firm. We'll are you worthy of a grace, as lang as me earn. The groaning friendship, there you fill your howdies, like a distant hill you're put it up to men a melon time o' need, while you throw your paws, the dews distills. Like amber his knife see rustic labour dicht, and cut ye up with ready slight, drenching your gushing entrail, right like Connie Ditch dead. Oh, what a glorious sight! Warm, reeking. Oh, rich. Then horn for horn they stretch and strive, they'll take the hindmost on they drive, till all their wheels wild kites beliver, bent like drums. Then old Goodman makes like drive with thanked hums. Is there a Tory's French ragout, or olio that would stow a sewer fricassee that would make us spew with perfect scorn? Look down with sneer and scornful view and sick at dinner. Poor deal Seymour is trash as feckless, as a withered rash, his spindle shank against whiplash, his knee nicked, throw bloody flood and field to dash, oh how unfit. But mark, the rustic, haggis fed, the trembling earth resounds his tread, up in his wally knife a blab, the whack and the whistle, and legs and arms and heads so sneds, like taps of thistle. Ye poors which make mankind your care and dish them out their bill of fare, old Scotland wants nae skanking ware the joints and luggies. But if you wish our grateful prayer, gie her a haggis. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.